Hey guys, so we're starting the day with an errand. We are going to the bank to bank in some money to my sister in Singapore. So this is like a monthly errand that my mom and I always do. So yeah, we're going to the bank. My mom is feeling better. Yesterday she was feeling rather sick, but she's all good now, hopefully. I'm still waiting for my delivery from Post Laju today. Hopefully it arrives and we notice it and it's not going to be sent to the Brickfields and we have to pick it up there. Hey guys, so it's now at 6 o'clock. I'm heading to KLCC right now because I have a dinner date with two of my best friends. We rarely see each other, but we're best friends nonetheless. We don't really have to see each other even though we're good friends, because that's the thing about best friends, you don't really have to see each other. It's the time that you actually do that counts. Okay, but yeah, so we're heading to Chili's, having dinner there because it's like our thing that we do every time we meet. That we meet at Chili's. Alright, so yeah, we're heading to KLCC and that's that. By the way, the bracelets from unidentified objects came along. The turquoise one with the skull at the other side. This I think it's 50 bucks. And this tin one with the anchor charm is 20 bucks. Really love it. So nice. So pretty. Alright, so we are at Chili's in KLCC already. So I'm here early with Sarah. Hey. Long time no see.
I know, I miss you so much.
So Sarah is now a very successful worker in UN right now. She's working on cases.
I'm just a caseworker.
Caseworker.
Yeah.
She's doing really good things for the world.
I cried.
So proud. She's doing a lot of cases with Rohingya as well. So it's really good. How's the experience there so far?
It's okay. I hate the days when I get Bangladeshis trying to be Rohingyas. It makes my interview longer and they get rejected. So, yeah, and I also hate it when they don't remember their siblings. Because each family has like 10 siblings. So I have to key in everyone. That's all.
No, she's trying to do things.
But I love my job so much.
Yeah. She's making a difference, guys. So fingers crossed I'll be able to do the same thing with Facebook. Yay! So Izza is here already.
Last one.
She's always the one. So how are you?
Work is dreadful, as she is about to ask me that. Life is horrible. I still don't have a boyfriend, so...
Still searching?
Yeah, I've already given my permission to go and pick me up with his friends. So.
My standards for a guy is really high, so it might be quite difficult.
He's tall and funny and probably good looking and nice and smart, intelligent, and a lot of things.
I don't think I have anybody in my friends list like that.
Mine is so
Tall? Half a bit already then.
I'm sure, well, you can
So it's time to eat. It's my meal. Ranch chicken sandwich. And that all. So we are heading to Avenue K.
I just want you. My life was in England, everything closes by 6.
Yeah, I heard. You know?
unless you have to do club.
If I have any plans.
You will!
I'm actually quite nervous that I will not be able to make any friends.
You will!
Oh my god. So, yeah, KLCC, we were from KLCC heading to jalan-jalan sekejap because it's still early. But you have to work tomorrow.
So we're like...
Some people have to work tomorrow.
I have flights to save tomorrow.
Yeah. Lives to change.
Yeah, with 2 stones and 1 bird.
Oh, I get tangkap shells. Alright, so Sarah wants to shop for something to wear to work. So
It's like a pajama.
I think you need to wear a belt or something there to break it up a bit. Che, break it up. Such fashion language. Too much fashion photo review.
I look England.
You do what?
I look England.
Nak pakai bila tu cakap?
No idea.
When do you want to feel England ni lah?
Every day of the rest of my life.
Come, let's move there.
I would love to. Continue.
Alright, so might as well that I'm here in breakup. Just saying hi to everybody. Ooh. Just saying hi to everybody. How is everybody?
Having fun without you is my
I expect it to be so.
in your of course lah.
So
I be cheerful every day.
True. Today is Jan's birthday.
Yay! I'm older now.
Which she didn't know.
If you don't know.
I don't know.
Wow.
By chance, God has called me to come.
We couldn't.
When he came here, I was asking him, you know?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
How could you? I thought you were sick.
How do you know?
Oh yeah, you know. Yeah, you're not in the group.
Wait, if you added as friends, Facebook,
I did that?
Did I?
I don't
you
know.
should have gotten a notification.
I didn't. I don't think so. I'm only friends with Yan, Mel, Fars, Sue, Kabi.
I think the one who ate cake.
Am I friends with you?
It's
I
okay.
don't know because
It's okay.
Just trying to tell us his Facebook name.
Ryan Raja, it's all
I did. I asked the time. He's like, what you want? You want to show me? You
husband lain sikit. It's a bit different. Husband different a bit.
soccer time.
Betul lah, you want every day lah.
Fine, you also lah. Don't let me lah.
Kita Ella. Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So we are heading back home now. I'm going to say goodbye to Sarah and Iza. So not sure when is the next time that we're going to see each other.
Oh, stop quit being so dramatic. I'm seeing you Tuesday.
Yeah.
So I better tell my bosses and my colleagues that they're not going to stop me from going to KLA.
I'm only seeing you next year.
Yeah.
You know when I get married?
Yeah.
Without no plane ticket.
If I'm
Anything you
not
want to say?
yeah, if I'm not married to my sister yet, you know what to do.
Yes.
In September for graduation to kill 1 bird with 2 stones.
Yes! Is that it? Yes! So,
Alright, I'm gonna miss you guys.
I'm gonna miss you so much.
we love you, my Ale.
We love you.
Bye. Bye. Okay, so ending the vlog. It's been a wonderful day, wonderful night, wonderful friends, wonderful day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna see a few friends in the morning, a few friends in the evening. The next couple of days are just meeting friends for the last time before I go. So a lot of catching up with friends. But today was a very nice day. I like today. I hope you had a wonderful day. Be good. Always go be yourself and live life. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.